Because she was barren, she daydreamed about children, and grasping a takawai, she composed a lullaby. He wahine he whenua e ngā roa e te tangata. She was a music lover, a melodious metaphor she would press to her chest. As the feathers of her korowai fell, they floated, and she changed from being the property of her father to the property of her husband. He wahine he ipo kwa ngā roa ia. She played her role in Te Ao Māori like the men played the pūkāia. Ka moe koutou. She was taught to link the past, the present, and the future. Ki wainga I te koroa. But her whare tangata was a meeting house with no manuhiri. O ure tarewa. Her reo was softer than the petals of her skin. It was frail and wilting, dying for a fire that won't spark in her kōpū. Moe maira. Her mind wanders more than her body ever has. Aku tō tarahai mata. She's a pūrerehua, and her frayed string was never tied. We hear her song in the confines of our bedrooms, lulling us to sleep, the taste of metallic on her tongue as she sang, a takawai filled with tears for a child born dead, leaving a parent with a life sentence, convicted of murder before another life could be lost. She has jail bars forming in her womb as she sees her unborn child in the creases of her tear-stained face.
Why do Māori women have so many problems?
Why do you have so much to fucking say? Do you understand what it's like to be told you are sacred because of a gift you didn't ask for? So your rights are stolen away from you like the babies that you're forced to produce. And if your machine is broken, well then so are you. Do you understand what it means to lose a child? To be cowered over their limp bodies. They're not dying because they want to. We're killing them. They're punching bags of fresh bruises to mark the passage of time, pockmarking them until their tiny hands no longer shake. And only death will liberate them from this cruelty they never deserve to face. Moko,
Nia,
Hinekawa,
Terepo.
We'll do anything to keep them safe. If it means you'll stuff cotton wool down our esophagus, we'll choke until our begging is heard. If you paint our bodies to cover our pain, we'll wash our faces until our mascara runs red. Even if our wombs weren't made to hold children, we will not let the kids that could have been ours be murdered in living rooms behind closed curtains. Moe maira. The takawai began to slip through her hands. Moe maira. She was losing her grip. Moe maira. The takawai stopped breathing, and she crumbled like the earth beneath her feet.